Welcome back to the channel, gearheads and luxury car aficionados alike. Today we're turning our attention to an icon reborn for a new era, the 2025 Lamborghini Aventador. Forget everything you knew about its predecessors, because this iteration is a quantum leap forward in performance, design and driver immersion. Imagine a car so raw it commands respect with every fiber of its being, yet so refined it redefines comfort on four wheels. That's precisely what Lamborghini's engineers and designers have sought to achieve in crafting this masterpiece. As you approach the 2025 Aventador, the first thing that strikes you is its presence. The front fascia carries the familiar aggressive stance, sharp, angular lines converging towards the front splitter, which isn't just for show. Each contour serves a purpose, channeling airflow in calculated streams to feed the engine, cool the brakes and maintain stability at triple-digit speeds. The headlights are sleeker than ever, sporting an LED Y-shaped daytime running signature that seems to pierce the darkness. Above them, sculpted fenders bulge slightly, hinting at the ferocious power lurking beneath the hood. Slide into the cockpit and you're enveloped by Alcantara and premium leathers in striking contrast stitches. The ergonomics are driver-centric, as if the entire cabin were custom-molded to your body. A new digital instrument cluster wraps around you, seamlessly integrating performance data, navigation and infotainment into a single, high-resolution display. No more fumbling through menus, everything you need is a quick glance or a gentle tap away. And for purists, a dedicated analog rev gauge sits proudly in the center, reminding you that at its core, the Aventador remains a visceral, mechanical symphony. Underneath the sculpted bodywork lies the heart of the beast, a naturally aspirated V12, now boasting 785 horsepower at 8,900 RPM. That's right. Lamborghini refused to abandon the intoxicating howl and linear power delivery that only a high-revving V12 can produce. Engineers enhanced the valve train and optimized combustion through direct injection and variable geometry intake trumpets, pushing torque up to 545 lb-ft at 6,700 RPM. The soundtrack that emerges when you give it full throttle is nothing short of orgasmic, a crescendo of mechanical precision that slices through the air with purpose. Coupled to a lightning-fast 7-speed automated manual gearbox updated to shift in just 35 milliseconds, the Aventador rockets from 0 to 62 miles per hour in a blistering 2.7 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited to 220 miles per hour, but anyone brave enough to test the limit will find the car's stability and composure remarkably unwavering, thanks in part to the advanced all-wheel drive system and electronically controlled rear differential. Every corner becomes a playground, every straightaway, an invitation to flirt with physics. Despite the raw power, Lamborghini engineers didn't neglect everyday usability. The adaptive